Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Xiaomi phone Wi-Fi setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect Wi-Fi in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to connect Wi-Fi in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video friends how to connect Wi-Fi in Xiaomi phone. First of all guys open your phone setting to connect Wi-Fi. Then guys scroll. Wi-Fi setting, tap here. So as you can see your Wi-Fi setting, so we will on from here our Wi-Fi. So guys, you can see guys your Wi-Fi network. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have and which you want to connect. So I have guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi. So I will tap here and guys I will enter password here. So as you can see, and guys you can check password from here. I have my wrong password and connect. So as you can see after 3 and 4 seconds guys Wi-Fi will connect and as you can see tap to share password and guys you can share password from here. So as you can use guys YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp like that app in your Xiaomi phone without your mobile data. So I hope friends have understood how to connect Wi-Fi in Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please comment like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.